Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You're starting inside the TV interface, so press Home on your remote and move to Settings right away. Once there, choose Device Preferences or All Settings. This keeps you in the system layer where accessibility lives. Navigate into Accessibility. Make sure you can see options like Audio Guide or Talkback, because that specific label controls spoken feedback. Now stop and confirm you have the remote focused on the TV. You'll need it to toggle the feature off in the next step. You're in Accessibility, so highlight Audio Guide or Talkback and press OK to open its settings. This is the control that speaks UI elements aloud. Once inside, use the toggle to switch the feature to off or disabled, press OK again to confirm. You'll often hear a final spoken confirmation as the system changes, so listen for that. If voice persists, back out and re-enter the menu to double-check the toggle state, making sure it reads off. This prevents accidental re-enabling. Once done, restart the TV, power it off, wait 10 seconds, then turn it back on because some voice modules need a reboot to stop speaking. If the voice guide still runs, make sure system software is up to date and inspect any installed accessibility or streaming apps that have their own voice narration settings. As a last resort, perform a settings reset after you back up favorites. This clears stubborn configs. If problems continue, contact Xiaomi support with your model number for guided help.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.